Yeah, hey guys, hi YouTube friends. This is my first vlog, and I'm not used to this one. But yeah, since some of you were asking on my videos, if I'm or what specific camera I've been using. Um, Actually, guys, smartphone lang ang gamit ko. By the way, I'll try to speak in Tagalog and English. I'm actually Visaya, so if I was speaking Bisaya, I think you could not, you could not understand if I speak in Bisaya. So Taglish lang, Tagalog-English. And sorry for my Tagalog, because again I'm Bisaya, so I'm not really good at it, and I have a thick accent for Tagalog. But anyway, yeah. Um, um, as what I said, I'm only using smartphone. It look much better than some of smartphone videos that have been uploaded on YouTube. But I'm actually just using this one tripod. It's a basic one. This one and this one. So yeah, for this one tripod, there's nothing special about it. It's just the basic tripod. You can buy this one in peso, I guess, 300 pesos. But I bought this one online for 14 or 15, I guess. I got this one from Amazon or eBay, or you can just try online. But for Cebu, you can go to I think that's Joe or Hey Joe, somewhere in Ramos area. Second one, this one. The name of this one, I think ano po, Ulanzi or Olanzi. That's Ulanzi. I tried using this one on some of my videos using my Android Samsung, but yeah, it works good with smaller sizes. Samsung S7 and iPhone XS. It's the same size or almost the same size. But yeah, for a Samsung, you can try this one. Just make sure you're going to hold it like this. Power buttons here. So you have the adjustable knob, so you can adjust using this one. Ano po, just make sure it's tight. So instead of using or holding your phone like this, so it's going to be shaky, right? So pag ganito, shaky. But if you have this one, teka lang, just make sure it's tight enough. Just make sure it's secured and safe. Yeah, so if you have this one, it's easy to take video, and it's more sturdy and steady, right? I usually do like this, so it's easy like taking video like this. So this one's quite shaky. And if you have noticed, I'm wearing this strap. So I seldom use this one, or paminsan-minsan ko lang ginagamit. But you can actually use this one if you want to get a video hands-free. Probably if you're going to have walking video, you can try this one. But it's going to be shaky if you're going to run. But pag naglalakad kayo or just gonna have a walk, yeah, it's quite steady than holding it like this. So I think that's all for now. So I'm sorry guys, I'm just using the built-in microphone of my laptop, so it doesn't really sound good, but I hope this one helps. Again, try to go online, order online, or check your local store or local outlet to buy this one tripod or this one. I think the name of this one is Reg, or yeah, something like that, but you can just try to Google it, Ulanzi or Olanzi. So I'm not sure the specific price, but try nyo lang mag search. But I'm not really suggesting that you're going to buy this one, but yeah, if you want to have a decent or medyo mas steady yung videos niyo for your viewers to like enjoy watching it, so probably you can just buy this one or this one. Okay, so thanks for watching, and again, I'm still not comfortable doing it. It's my first time doing this vlog, so maybe I can do another video next time. Maybe next time I'll be more comfortable doing this kind of video. But anyway, thanks for all who have watched and subscribed to my channel. See ya. Cheers. Bye bye. Oh la la.